Are you an affiliate marketer? If so, I have some very important information to share with you. I'm the admin of a Facebook group with over 256,000 affiliate marketers. What I'm about to show you is the number one problem I see inside this group. It's horrible. Why? Let me explain. I see the links that these affiliates post every day in the group. When I click these links, my suspicions are confirmed. They all end up on the affiliate's sales page. So what's wrong with that? Lost commissions. Here's how. What happens when you send visitors to your affiliate sales page and they don't buy? Nothing. You don't get the sale. But here's the real issue. Most affiliate product sellers retarget the visitors you send them. And if your visitors come back to your affiliate sales page months later and buy, you could lose those commissions. Shocking but true. If you want to make money as an affiliate marketer today, tomorrow, and 5 years from now, then you need to be building your own email list. You can't afford not to. According to SendGrid.com, email has the highest return on investment with an average of $42 for every dollar invested. Have you noticed that the super affiliates all have one thing in common? They all have their own email list. You need your own email list of targeted people who know, like, and trust you. Then when you promote any product or service, you will have your own targeted leads to mail to. You will own the traffic. You can make consistent sales. But there is one big problem. You need a website for your lead capture pages. You need a page builder to build your lead capture pages. You need to pay for web hosting for your website. When you add this up, it takes a lot of work, skill, and time. So are there any other options? Yes, we have a solution. Our solution allows you to build a targeted email list while posting your affiliate links online. You don't have to build lead capture pages. You don't need to pay for website hosting. You don't need a page builder. This solution is called TrafficLinks. With TrafficLinks, you can take over any affiliate sales page and overlay your own lead capture form, product review video, call to action link, and more. Here's how TrafficLinks works in real time. Okay, now let's go inside TrafficLinks and take a look at the inside. Okay, so we're now at the TrafficLinks dashboard. As you can see, it gives you a snapshot of your visits, unique total and unique clicks. On the left side, you have the dashboard link, the profiles section where you create your profiles, campaigns, split tests, and your training here. All training is included that shows you how to walk through the entire TrafficLinks for campaign setup. So you have the dashboard overview, personal profile setup, creating your first campaign, creating an opt-in campaign, integrating with GetResponse, integrating with Zapier, creating a survey campaign. You can create surveys. Your meta tag setup. This allows you to add images to your link, and sites like Facebook and Instagram, it'll show the image. You'll have campaign summary and data training, how to set up and run split tests, and embedding your review videos over your affiliate links. So let's take a look at a JVZoo affiliate link, and we are using Music Man. And as you can see, there's no opt-ins or there's no overlays on this particular page. When you use TrafficLinks, here's what your review video will look like. As you can click.
A lot of people are searching for royalty-free music.
And as you can see, that's overlaid right over your affiliate link where your prospects can enter their email and get your bonus. In addition to that, you have the lead capture overlay. And before you continue, click here to see the list of 9+ premium bonus products. So when your prospect clicks the link, it opens up your bonus page where they can review your bonuses and sign up through your link. In addition to that, there's a content page here. As you can see, there's no overlay. Using TrafficLinks, you can add your little call to action button here that sends your visitors to wherever you want them to go. And in this situation, we're sending them to the Music Man affiliate link. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to use TrafficLinks.